welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Leeor Alexandra. Welcome to the baby elephant community. You're so welcome here. If you haven't subscribed yet and you've been watching all these videos, then what are you doing? It's time to subscribe. It's time to become a part of the baby elephant community where we talk about the law of attraction, happiness, cultivating true happiness, and just overall being better people, better versions of ourselves. Today we're just gonna have a really fun, light video, one that's been requested a few times, I would say, and that is how to manifest a text message from somebody. So you might want to manifest a text message from an ex or a specific person, somebody you've been thinking about, maybe a business text, maybe a text from an old friend. For whatever reason it is, people out there really want to manifest text messages, and I feel that. I've done it myself. I actually tried out this method and it worked. About a year ago, I did a video called the phone call method, and it's honestly almost exactly the same thing, but you guys really wanted something specific on text messages, so we're gonna do it. It's super easy, it's super simple, and my best advice to you is to just believe. Don't look too much into it, don't overthink it, and take it easy. If you make manifesting fun, if you approach manifesting in a fun way, I think my neighbors are wrestling each other. If you approach manifesting in a fun way, then it's always going to work for you. The people who mess up their manifestations are the ones that take things way too seriously, and if they don't see the outcome in a few minutes, they're like, oh, this doesn't work, I can't have anything I want, I'm not lucky like other people. That's not going to get you anything. What will get you whatever you want is a light, easygoing attitude about everything in life. Going with the flow, not against the current. So this is super simple. It's all about energy. It's all about vibes. So this is what I want you to do. What we're going to do is we're going to get centered. We're going to quiet our mind. Then we're going to recall happy emotions, then we're going to visualize, then we're going to think about the emotions of the other person, and then we're gonna let go. So first and foremost, I recommend meditating or focusing on your breath for a few minutes before starting this method, this technique to manifest a text message. So I would just sit for a few minutes in quiet, in solitude, and focus on your breath. That looks something like this. That feels so good that I could do it for the rest of the video, but I know that we have to go on. So, moving forward, I would do that for a few minutes until your mind is quiet and calm and cool, and do that after watching this entire video, of course. They're actually like pretending they're dinosaurs or something and screaming at each other. I hope they're okay. So the next thing I want you to do is to consider what emotions you're going to feel once you receive this text message. Think and define those emotions. So let's say you want a text from your crush. You'd feel excited, you'd feel fulfilled, satisfied, and a little nervous maybe. So consider those emotions and hold on to them, and then close your eyes again. Maybe perhaps hold up your phone and close your eyes and think about those emotions, and either recall a memory that makes you feel like that, or just think about something that makes you feel those emotions. So just think about receiving that text message and how you would feel. I'd feel excited, I'd feel a little nervous, and just focus on those emotions a little bit. Don't worry about visualizing just yet. Let's focus on the emotions. And be honest with yourself about what you would feel. Like if I was trying to manifest a text from an ex, for example, my eyes were still closed, that was weird, I would be more nervous than anything else. So honestly, focus on that nervous feeling if you want. I'm going to focus on a happy memory, something happy. I tell you guys often that I think about riding my bike through the canals in Amsterdam, and that immediately raises my vibration and makes me happy and aligns me to the right emotion for manifesting this text message. And I'm just feeling those emotions, and then now you have your phone in your hand, and it's time to visualize what would happen when you receive this text. See the name of that person. See in your mind's eye your phone lighting up. If you have a ringtone on for text messages, imagine that tone coming up, and continue to feel those emotions, those positive emotions, and believe, really believe that what you're doing right now is so easily going to manifest for you a text. Now keep your eyes closed, and I want you to imagine that person that you want to text you. If you don't know what they look like, just imagine some sort of human being picking up the phone to text you. And imagine what emotions they feel while texting you. think about them holding their phone and think about what emotions they feel. So if I'm imagining an ex texting me, I'm imagining that he's a little nervous, he's a little scared to be rejected, but he's also excited because he misses me and wants to talk to me. And that's what I'm imagining. And imagine them typing whatever it is that you want them to type. It doesn't have to be something specific. It could be an emotion that you want them to feel. And now that you visualize them feeling that way, it's time to just put it all away. Put your phone away. If you're able to, don't look at it for a little bit until you feel like it's the right time to pick up your phone. Give this method a few days. For me, when I use it, I usually get the text within an hour to 2 hours. I've had a friend who it took her 1 day to manifest a text. I had another friend who I think it happened within a couple of hours. Just try this out, have fun with it, see what happens. Don't take it so seriously, and comment below if it works for you. Let me know what works for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know if you're gonna try it. If you did try it, what happened. And until my next video, as always, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and keep your vibrations way, way, way up. Bye.